Welcome back, first timers. We're in downtown Pensacola, Florida, where we're out here for a very special date night. It's something that I've been so excited about trying for a long time.
Today we're going to be going to Tijon. It's a luxury fragrance lab and boutique right here in downtown, and we're going to be taking a class and we're going to create our own signature scent.
While we're here in downtown Pensacola, don't be sad if you're not here because they have locations all over the country. Houston, Atlanta, Charlotte, Key West, Miami, New Orleans, Nashville, this one here in Pensacola, Phoenix, St. Martin, which is the original location, and Tampa. But they're also growing and opening new locations all the time, all over the place.
Tijon offers all kinds of classes that you can take. There's 4 options here at the Pensacola location. We're doing what's called the mix and match class. So in that class, it's 90 minutes, it costs $99 per person, and you get to mix together 3 different fragrances from the over 300 different fragrance oils. Once you get the fragrance that you like, you get to bottle that and take it home. What's also really cool is they put on file your specific fragrance, so if you want to repurchase it, you just come in the store and pick it up. Also, with each class, you get a gift bag, and ours is valued at over $45. So it's like almost free class. The class that we're taking, it's for all ages, so this would be great for birthday parties, bachelorette parties, date nights, group activities, team building. They also have another really cool class that we wanted to take, but it wasn't available today. It's called Fragrances After Dark, and it's an adults only class, so you don't have to worry about kids being in there, and you get a free glass of champagne. But that's enough talking. Let's go in and start mixing up fragrances.
Hi, welcome in. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
And they even have lab coats for children all the way up to large adult size.
We haven't even started and we're already getting gifts. You get to choose one of the 25 franchise branded scents. So they have this really nice display here where you can smell, sample all of them. And if you need a break in between, they do have coffee beans to clear that nose and that palate. They also have a number of locally crafted scents that aren't included in that 25 that you can choose to take, but those are for sale. And those ones are going to be designed and created here locally to kind of give you the essence of this coastal region. So they have ones like 38 Drift, they have Sugary Sands, there's a whole bunch of other ones that are really more beach themed. Terry's gonna check out the 25 of which one we're gonna get to choose, and then we're gonna move on to gift number 2.
I'm here with the owner of the Pensacola location, Elliot, and he's gonna tell us a little bit about the business.
Yeah, well, Terry, thanks for coming in. You are at Tijon, Pensacola. We are a custom fragrance lab. We're here to make our own custom cologne and perfumes from the ground up. We have over 53 million different combinations, so we're really going to have you make your own signature scent, and we can't wait for you to do that. It's going to be a blast, and man, I can't wait for you to be having a sensational time.
Well, thank you for having us. I got my lab coat on. I look official. Let's start mixing fragrances.
Now, this place has all kinds of smells, all kinds of scents, but then it's like a lab. I mean, they call it a fragrance lab, and yeah, you get a lab coat, but there's beakers and Bunsen burners and vials and beakers. I think I said beakers twice, but all kinds of stuff for mixing and matching and making what you want. And I love chemistry. Terry might not, but she does love smelling good. So it's a 2 birds with 1 stone situation.
Behind me are just a selection of the scents here. They have over 300 different scents and fragrance oils that you're going to use to make your final product. And then they have all these bottles that you can choose from to bottle up your final scent. They're going to guide you step by step with instructions on how to create 3 different scents and come up with something that you absolutely love.
But really, you're going to be looking for a base oil, and they have 12 different pre-created base oils, depending on if you want something sweet or floral or more masculine, more feminine, or unisex. Then from there, you're going to pick 3 different oils that are here. They call them the organ oils because they're stacked here on the organ, or it looks like an organ. But then they also have the top 40 scents that are used already pre-identified right here on the wall. If you want to go with something that's very popular, you go here, but if you want to get deep in the weeds and find something strange and unique, you go to the organ.
My name is Elliot, and I'm going to be your host for today. Now, when y'all first walked in, y'all all had some gift menus that we handed you, so you can circle your gifts. I just want to then talk to you about our gift 2. First gift that we're going to talk about is what's called the traveling atomizer. So this is an on-the-go portable cologne or perfume bottle in it. So the next item that I'm going to talk about real quickly is our lava bead bracelet. Now this bracelet is porous, so what that means is the lava rocks themselves well, the oils that you put on it, whether it's essential oils or your cologne or perfume, they will seep into the rocks and the rocks will become that scent over time as you spray it. We're going to be creating 3 samples today, all right? And from those 3 samples, one of them you're going to pick out to be your favorite, and we're going to build that up in class in a 55 milliliter bottle.
All right, we're going to smell these scents. I'm going to pick one for David, he's going to pick one for me, and then we're going to pick a neutral one for the both of us. We picked out our 3 base oils, one for David, one for me, and one for the first timers. Number 2030 is the one that David picked for me. Number 2029 is the one we picked together. And 2033 is the one I picked for David.
All right, so now that everyone has their 3, I want everybody to turn to the very first page of their workbooks. And what you'll notice on the very first page is all of the premixed oils have been listed out, so now you can see what's in them. And we wait to show you this page because we don't want you to bias yourself by looking at something with your sight that then would then influence what your senses, as your sense of smell, would do for you.
The fragrances that we chose really do make sense, and they make sense because they complement each other.
Would you say the scents make sense?
Yeah, the scents make sense.
Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the caps off of all of them because I've already smelled these oils and I know I like these 3 to set me up. They're going to each represent my beakers, beaker 1, 2, and 3. The next step that everybody will be doing first is going to your station and just finding the first 3 that you like right off the back, right? And this is not the final 3, not the only 3, not the best 3. Just the first 3 that you happen to like when you're up here first. And I'm going to bring them back to my table. And I'm just going to place them down, okay? Now, I said I liked Asian plum, so I'm already uncapped it, I've smelled it. Now I need to smell Asian plum against my 3 different foundation oils to see which one does Asian plum go with best. I am then gonna rinse, wash, and repeat the process. So now I need to smell all 3 together and see if they go together. What we're trying to do is we are trying to make groups of 4 per beaker. So what I'm trying to say is we're trying to make use 1 foundation oil and then 3 different named organ oils to go with it. So every single beaker is going to have a group of 4.
During this process, we've been able to watch a movie, get a history of perfumes and colognes. We've also had really, really good instruction to walk us through this process. So it really takes the guesswork out. Really what it comes down to is finding the smells and the scents that you like to make your signature smell.
Got our 3 scents picked out. We're going to write them down on the paper and then start mixing.
And he did mention that sometimes the ones in the beaker you might like more, but once it's on your skin, you may favor a different one. We've now smelled the ones we've created for each other. I think Terry's right on. She created a really, really dark and rich wintertime smell that I think I would wear.
The one that David made for me is very fresh and clean. Smells like a spring day, but also like somebody that likes to have fun.
And then the one that we created together is really versatile that we could use any time of the year. And I think it really nailed the unisex nature that we're looking for. One that would be fun, whimsical, but also sophisticated, a lot like both of us.
When you hold your pipette, I want you to hold it horizontally, and then I want you to squeeze nice controlled drops just like this.
Got the instructions on how to do our drops. Very tiny drops, just enough to make a Q-tip full of your fragrance so you can test it out. And then he comes over and also checks your oils to see if you have something that might be a little bit too strong and you want to dial back on the drops. All right, we got them applied. We've smelled them inside. We're going to go outside because this room has a lot of smells going on right now.
It is definitely a different smell once it hits your skin. And I can already tell the 2 that I love the most and the one that maybe is a little funky on my skin.
I'm having a hard time deciding. The one David made for me, the fresh laundry smell really comes out on your skin. The one we made as the unisex one is pretty good, a little sweet on the skin. The one I made for David, I actually like the most on the skin. It's got a real like orange citrusy smell to it.
So that's funny because I like the one I made for Terry the most. The one that we made together is actually a really good neutral in between that I think men and women can wear. The one that she made on my skin kind of gives off a little funk. And I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe it's my skin. We're gonna have to make some hard decisions here pretty quickly. It's mind-blowing how different they smell in the beaker. While they all have obviously the same undertones and similarities that we had in the beaker, coming out here, it changes it. And it's crazy
on your skin, how it varies from person to person.
The one that smells the best on me is not the one that smells the best on Terry, and the one that smells the best on Terry definitely doesn't smell the best on me. Funny enough, the one that we made together smells the best out of all of them.
On both of us.
I think we picked our winner. and it's the first timer scent.
Now, the next step you'll have to do is you'll have to name your fragrance. That can be the hardest step in class. You may need the perfect bottle to go with the perfect name. We do have the standard bottle everybody's going to be getting, black and gold bottle that you'll get the name, but we also have our custom signature bottles you can get into. But also you have the ability to layer your scents in another format, meaning you can get a lotion, a cream, a home and linen spray, a body massage oil, a roll-on oil. You can even do what we call is pure parfum, which is double concentration, which is the extrait de parfum, which basically means you're, instead of having 25% oil, you can have up to 50% oil to the rest 50% alcohol, distilled water, and propylene glycol. The more oil you have, well, essentially will make your perfume last longer.
Because we can't do anything just normal, we're gonna upgrade to the 100 ml of the one we both agreed on, and we're actually gonna be going with a fancier bottle. Right here, look at that. Look at Terry's excited.
I don't want you to feel like it's you.
We went with the base of 2033, and then the oils were white tea and ginger, citrus aromatic, and tobacco. But now we gotta come up with a name.
Like a mad scientist. We named our perfume Debutants, which in French means first timers.
But if you have a better name, put it in the comment section below. Let us know what we should have named this.
So everybody today will be certified. So I'm happy to see a lot of these great new perfumers for Tijon, right? So we expected to see this on your LinkedIn, on your resumes, job referrals, all of that, right? All of it. Need everybody to raise their glasses. And instead of saying cheers, because we were founded in French Saint Martin, we like to say to good health, and we like to say it in French. So we raise our glass and we always say santé. Santé.
That was so much more fun than I even imagined, and I really thought this was going to be a great time.
We had so much fun, and we got to make a scent that both of us can share.
But if you like this video, check out this video right here where we did something else great for date night here on the Emerald Coast. Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.